Look up. A silent guardian has always been there, watching, glowing, guiding. The moon. A pale companion that's been part of every story humanity has ever told. But imagine, one night, you look up, and it's gone. No warning, no explosion, no trace. Just darkness. The sky feels emptier. The oceans stand still, and the earth begins to unravel. This isn't science fiction. This is physics and chaos. Because if the moon disappeared overnight, our world would never be the same again. At first, it would be easy to miss. The stars would look sharper, brighter, but the familiar silver glow would be gone. For billions of people, it would simply be a darker night. But for scientists, alarms would ring instantly. You see, the moon isn't just a light in the sky. It's a cosmic stabilizer, the gravitational heart of our planet's rhythm. Its pull controls the tides, influences our sleep, even steadies the planet's spin. Take it away, and every balance we depend on begins to fall apart. The night would be 400,000 times darker. No more moonlight reflecting on ocean waves, no more silver glow tracing mountain peaks. Cities near the sea would feel eerily quiet, but beneath the surface, something much bigger begins to shift. The moon's gravity pulls Earth's oceans like a giant invisible hand. Twice a day, it drags the seas toward it, creating the rise and fall we call tides. Without that pull, tides wouldn't stop entirely. The sun still exerts some gravitational force, but it's only 1/3 as strong. So, what happens next? The great breathing of the oceans, flatlines, coastal ecosystems, from coral reefs to crabs, lose their rhythm. Sea turtles' hatchlings would crawl toward dark beaches, lost without moonlight to guide them. Plankton would stop circulating nutrients between ocean layers. Entire food chains collapse silently. And for humans, fishing industries vanish. Ports become stagnant. Tidal energy gone. Beaches begin to erode differently. We'd feel it in our economy, in our plates, and even in our weather. Because the ocean doesn't just move water, it moves energy. Without tides stirring the seas, Earth's climate engine slows down. But the real chaos begins above the waves. Right now, Earth spins at a tilt of 23.5 degrees, and the moon's gravity keeps that tilt steady, like a weight at the end of a pendulum. Without the moon, that pendulum swings out of control. Our planet begins to wobble. Astronomers call it axial precession, the slow drift of Earth's orientation in space. But with no lunar anchor, that drift turns violent over thousands of years. One century, the Arctic could tilt toward the sun, basking in endless light. The next, it could fall into eternal night. Seasons would lose their rhythm. Imagine a summer lasting 20 years and a winter lasting 40. Crops fail. Rivers dry up. And then, decades later, they flood again. The word season would lose all meaning. Earth's once balanced climate would swing between ice age and inferno. And life, human, animal, and plant, would have to chase stability wherever it could still exist. But the moon's absence would reach far deeper into the pulse of life itself. Many species are lunar dependent. Coral reefs spawn during full moons. Sea turtles follow moonlight to the sea. Predators like lions and wolves hunt under its glow. Even tiny plankton rise and fall in the ocean following lunar light. Take that away, and evolution itself loses its clock. Animals that evolved with the moon's rhythm would stumble in the dark literally. Hunting, reproduction, and migration cycles break. Ecosystems would start collapsing one by one. It might take years or decades, but the chain reaction would be unstoppable. And humans? We'd feel it too. Our circadian rhythms, the internal 24-hour clock that guides our sleep, mood, and hormones, are subtly influenced by the lunar cycle. Without it, studies predict increased insomnia, mood instability, and even fertility changes. The moon, it seems, has been whispering to our biology all along. And in its silence, the human body begins to forget its rhythm. But the moon does more than guide life. It shields it. Every crater you see on the moon's face is a scar, proof that it's been protecting Earth for 4.5 billion years. Without it, our planet becomes exposed. Over cosmic timescales, asteroid and comet impacts could increase by up to 2,000%. Without that gravitational buffer, more space debris would enter near-Earth orbit. Satellites would face higher risk of collisions. Meteor showers might become meteor storms. And every few thousand years, one of those impacts might be big enough to reset civilization. The Moon, in its quiet orbit, has been Earth's armor. And without it, the universe suddenly remembers we're here. Here's something few realize: the Moon is slowly stealing our energy. Every year, it drifts 3.8 centimeters away from Earth, taking with it tiny amounts of rotational momentum. That's why our days have grown longer over time, by about 1.7 milliseconds every century. But remove the Moon, and that process reverses. Earth would begin spinning faster. Our days would shorten. Not to notice at first, maybe fractions of a second, but over geological time, it adds up. A faster spin means stronger winds, more violent storms, and atmospheric chaos. The jet streams that shape our climate would shift. Hurricanes would form faster, grow larger, and move unpredictably. Our planet, once balanced between day and night, would become a restless, spinning storm world. But not all consequences can be measured by physics. Some are purely human. The Moon is woven into our art, mythology, and memory. It guided ancient calendars. It marked harvests and festivals. It inspired poets and dreamers and gave lovers a reason to walk outside at night. Without it, something beautiful disappears from our collective imagination. The night sky would still be filled with stars, but without that familiar glowing face, the universe would feel colder, lonelier. Even the word month from moonth would lose its origin. Our sense of time would drift, just like Earth's axis. The Moon has been our mirror, our muse, our myth. Without it, humanity would lose a part of its reflection. Would we survive in a moonless world? Probably. Humans always adapt. We'd light up our cities to replace the lost glow. We'd build tidal generators driven by the sun's weaker pull. We'd design satellites to monitor our unstable tilt. But civilization would shift from stability to maintenance. We'd be forever chasing equilibrium, never achieving it. Every generation would face new climate cycles, new seasons, new storms. Our descendants might not even know what normal means. The Moon's absence wouldn't kill humanity overnight. It would just make existence harder, more fragile, less poetic. But could the Moon actually disappear? In reality, that's almost impossible. It's gravitationally locked to Earth, bound by cosmic mathematics. To vanish overnight, something extraordinary would have to happen. A collision with a massive asteroid, or a sudden black hole passing nearby, or advanced alien engineering beyond our comprehension. Each scenario comes with a cost, energy on the scale of the sun's output for years. If something that powerful did remove the Moon, Earth itself might not survive the shockwave. So, rest easy. The Moon isn't going anywhere. But imagining its absence reminds us just how much we depend on it and how delicate our place in the universe truly is. It's strange, isn't it? That something so distant, so quiet, holds our entire world together. The Moon doesn't roar, doesn't shine by its own light, and yet it shapes every wave, every season, every heartbeat of Earth. Civilization rose under its gaze. Our ancestors looked up and dreamed. Sailors navigated by it. Poets fell in love beneath it. It's not just a rock, it's a silent architect of harmony. Take it away, and Earth becomes unrecognizable. A darker, colder, more chaotic world. A reminder that even the quietest companions can hold the loudest importance. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see that pale glow hanging above, remember, without the Moon, the Earth might still exist. But we, the dreamers, the thinkers, the poets, the people, might not. This is existence where curiosity meets the cosmos.